Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure power and Bluetooth are ready. This saves time. Put both earbuds in the case, then charge until at least 20%. Once done, open your phone's Bluetooth settings and keep that screen visible. Next, enter pairing mode on the earbuds, usually by opening the case or holding the button 3-5 seconds until the LED blinks. You do this because pairing mode advertises both buds to the phone, enabling the next step to link them as a single TWS device. You now pick the earbud entry on your phone and tap to pair. Select the one labeled L+R or the model ID so both sides connect. After tapping, listen for a confirmation tone or watch for the status to read connected. This indicates the phone and the earbuds exchanged profiles. If the right and left aren't joined in stereo, make sure to reset the pairing sequence. Remove earbuds, hold the case button to reinitiate discovery, then repeat the selection. This makes one bud the master and syncs audio to both. You finish by testing audio and the microphone, play a short clip and confirm left and right sound, then make a call to verify the mic. If anything fails, forget the device from your phone's Bluetooth list, power cycle the earbuds and the phone, then repeat the pairing flow. This clears cached pairings and forces a clean handshake. If problems persist, check for a firmware update via the maker's app, because updates often resolve connectivity and audio splitting bugs. Do that before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.